Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Kimchi Mandu, which is kimchi dumpling. Let's get started. So many people request for the Kimchi Mandu, so I'm so grateful. Thank you for the request. This is for you guys. First, we need a leek. Slice it half and slice thinly. For the top half, slice it exactly same. Oh, my eyes are... It's so spicy. It's so fresh and spicy. After you slice thinly, put to the side. Next, we need 200 grams of kimchi. Squeeze lightly so you can let all the juice out. Wipe the table that you didn't mean to make a mess. So make sure squeeze lightly, otherwise it will splash everywhere. Once you let all the juice out, place it in a cutting board and we gotta slice thinly. So first I'm gonna cut it like a lengthwise and then I'm gonna slice thinly and put to the side. Next, we need a carton of the tofu. We're gonna use 100 grams of it. So I'm gonna slice it half. Same as a kimchi, we gotta drain all the water. So we need a wet cloth and squeeze it so we can get all the water out. Make sure to drain all the water from your tofu or your filling will be too watery and might break your dumpling wrapper while cooking. If you don't like tofu, you can skip this part, but adding tofu will make your dumpling so much tender. And put to the side. Now we need grounded pork. I'm gonna add 200 grams of grounded pork. And we're gonna add all the things that we prepared earlier. We need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of red pepper flake, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and dash of pepper. Make sure to get all the sauce and mix it well. Ratio of pork and a kimchi can be different as your preference. If you want to taste more meat, add more pork than a kimchi. But if you want to taste kimchi, you can add like me. Once you're done mixing, cover it with a plastic wrap and let it marinate for about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna put this in a fridge for 15 minutes. Get your filling out of the fridge after 15 minutes. And we need the dumpling wrapper. Place a large bowl of filling in the center of the mandu wrapper. The more filling you put, the more delicious your dumpling will be. But be careful. If you put too much, dumpling will break or have filling sticking out of the sides. Wet the half circle of the dumpling wrapper and pinch the mandu wrapper shut down middle with your fingers. When you seal the mandu, take both outer corners and bring them together on the side. Wet one of the corner of the mandu and press the corner together to create a cute rosebud shape. And repeat this part until you finish the filling. There are many kinds of mandu. Gunmandu or pan-fried, Jinmandu or steamed, Wangmandu or jumbo size, Mulmandu or boiled. My favorite mandu or Kimchi Mandu, which we are making today. Get a large pot and fill with hot water. Place your bamboo steamer in the pot above the water. Set a wet cloth on a tray and place your dumpling on the tray. Make sure your dumplings are not touching each other. If they touch, they will stick together. Cover it up and turn your heat on medium high and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. While we're waiting it to cook, let's start the Kwon's Corner fact. Mandu were invented by nomads long ago. They were made to be super portable and simple to cook, kind of like ancient camping food. In Korea, there's an old superstition that if you can make a pretty dumpling, you will have a pretty daughter. So when I was young, Everyone in my family used to come together and compete to see who could make the prettiest mandu. It was a really good memory, so you should do it with your family. You can get frozen dumpling in Korean market and cook at home. They're a really easy recipe with frozen dumpling. Since it's frozen dumpling, it won't take more than 10 minutes to make. If you guys want me to cover, let me know in the comment. It's been 20 minutes, so we're gonna turn off the heat and see. That's it. Our kimchi mandu is all ready to eat. Eating time! I was so hungry making this, so let's try it. And dip it in the sauce. It's so good! Oh my gosh! I love my mom's kimchi! This is bomb.com. My mom's kimchi is really good. You should actually try my mom's kimchi. Since I put more kimchi than a pork, I can taste the kimchi so much. When I make this recipe, I asked my mom for the help, and she told me to add tofu to make it more filling tender. It goes so well. Always good to listen, mom. Since I added tofu, filling is really tender, but because of the kimchi, it still has a texture, and it's really good. And add fresh leek gives really good flavor, so you should definitely try, and see you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!